Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. The #1 reason why your hair is frizzy. Are you ready? Let's get this beauty started. So most of the time when your hair is frizzy, it's because it's lacking moisture. It's dehydrated. And I am the perfect example of this. I have been on my channel multiple times throughout the last hectic, crazy, stressful 2 years with frizzy hair or hair that's dirty or hair that needs to be washed. I mean, you know, sometimes I just show up and I'm like, you know what, it is what it is, but I do not love the frizz. And so I have been making it a very big mission of mine to really combat my frizz. I deal with humidity here in South Florida, so that is another element that I deal with. But I don't like, the more I get more white and more gray in my hair, I feel like it's the more frizz. I most of the time have the frizz underneath in this area here that just starts growing my hair, so it looks like it's an explosion of gray. It's not the look I'm going for. It's not cute, it's not polished, it's not put together. So I have some products that I haven't shared here on YouTube that I do want to share with you, and I'm going to give you the back history of why I'm sharing these in the first place. But I have a rotation of hair products that you've seen me use, and they're pretty much the same products. I'm very tried and true when it comes to Fido's Purple Shampoo or Kerastase when I'm doing certain things with whether it's their hair serum or it's their blow dry cream. You know what I like because you've seen it consistently on my channel. I don't promote products just to promote products. It's not my thing. It hasn't been my thing, especially with hair, because I have to be so specific because of gray hair. I thought in 2015 when I went gray that it was going to be a no biggie. Like, oh, I'm stopping dyeing and it's going to be like cakewalk. I'll have 2 products and I don't need to do anything. And it's quite the opposite. My hair is very needy. It's very high maintenance. I'm like, when are we going to calm down and just be normal? But that's never going to happen. So I have some things that I have to deal with my hair, and I have implemented 2 new products that are a game changer. So I'm going to, I just can't wait to tell you about them. So back in October over on Instagram, I partnered with a brand called Philip Kingsley, and they're out of the UK. And I was very excited about this partnership because of the product and the history. And this is not a sponsored video here on YouTube. I only partnered with them on Instagram. I asked them if I could include them in my video, and also if I could offer the discount code I have over on Instagram, because I know a lot of you ladies aren't on Instagram, and I didn't want you to miss out because I've watched all of your comments over the years about thinning hair, about frizz hair, about breakage, about over-processed hair. So many different issues. And this company is not like a company that just created a hair care line. The hair care industry is so oversaturated. It does get very confusing and it's overwhelming, and we need to keep it simple and really be intentional and directional when it comes to our hair. What is the real issue? How do I really find a product that's going to help me? So I'm going to give you a little history on Philip, just so you know really where he comes from, his history, his background. So the founder, Philip, he lived until 2016, and he was a real true visionary in the world of hair care. And what I thought was really interesting is that he really had the care and insight that led him to accomplish many firsts in his field. He was the first hair professional to encourage hair health through nutrition and well-being. He coined the phrase "bad hair day." And he created the world's first pre-shampoo conditioner, the Elasticizer, personally for Audrey Hepburn. So his experience really bridged the gap between science and beauty, and he earned many, many awards and accolades. So he was referred to by the New York Times as the hair guru, the hair wizard by Vogue, and the hair doctor by the Sunday Times. So there's a real history there, real science-based, being a trichologist, which is really, it's like a dermatologist for your skin, on your face, and your body. A trichologist is basically concentrating on the scalp and the hair. So that's really, when you have problems, that's who you want to see. Just they know so much. They're really in tune to seborrheic eczema, psoriasis on the scalp, hair breakage, hair loss. Maybe you were having bald spots on your hair, men and women. So I was very interested, you know, as a licensed esthetician, I love just that knowledge. I love that base of science, of real results, and not just like, oh, it's a hair care line and we just have nice packaging. That's not really my thing at all. So I started off with the pre-shampoo treatment. Can't believe I wasn't doing a pre-shampoo treatment. I wet my hair. I put this on my hair, the elasticizer. This is for, I say it wrong, but it's a little tongue twister for me. This adds elasticity and bounce to fine, medium, and coarse hair. So everyone can use this. Then I section up my hair, I put it in. I put the shower cap on that it comes in this little box, comes with the product, and I set my timer for 20 minutes. And then I just watch my hair like come back to life. It's wonderful. So this is a great treatment that I really enjoyed. Again, I have my coupon code below this video, and I also have the date it expires. And then the second product, I actually wash it out with their weightless shampoo and their weightless conditioner. I wanted the full experience to see. I didn't want to cherry pick and have different products when I was doing this, to really see if it worked on my hair. The pictures afterwards, I do photo shoots right after to really capture what my hair looks like. Is it flat and limp, or is it have lots of volume and smoothness and it's manageable? And that's exactly what I got when I used this product. And I just felt, you know, I did think about Audrey Hepburn when I was using it. I was like, this is like I feel like it's special using a product that was designed for her. And then I recently was using the Bond Builder, repairs, strengthens, and protects the hair. This is wonderful from the inside out. So this is a pre-shampoo treatment. I leave it on for 10 minutes. And this was really, really beautiful on my hair. So I'm telling that frizz, you know what? I was trying to like maintain you after I did my shampoo and conditioner and I was styling. Now I'm treating you before I do anything. I do the pre-shampoo, rebuilding my hair, whether it is with the Bond Builder or it's with the elasticizer. Love these products. So these are on a rotation now, once a week. I'm really pulling it through with not wanting to have that frizz, especially the holiday season. I want to, you know, feel polished and look good and not be like, gosh, my hair, I'm so angry when I see it in the mirror and it's like so frizzy. I don't know about you ladies, but it really does just ruin the look for me when I can't manage the frizz. So that is something that I've been very intentional about. And you know that I showed you the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. So products that you should really look for when wanting to combat that frizz are products that say humidity resistant, like this product. Or there's other products on the market that you're going to see anti-humectant or anti-frizz or frizz-free or smoothing. Those are going to be keywords for you. There's a great span of products, whether it's drugstore, all the way up to salon, to be able to combat frizz depending on your hair texture and what your real needs are. But again, like I say with skincare or with makeup, you know, you want to really zero in on what the issue is. So right now we're really talking about frizz. We're not talking about, you know, if you are having scalp issues. We've talked about different serums and exfoliation treatments, etc. So you want to target the real issue and not feel like, oh my gosh, I have like 10 issues. I have hair breakage and I have frizz and I have my hair's falling out here and you want to concentrate on one thing first so you don't overwhelm yourself or your hair with just too many products and trying to combat too many issues at one time. That's what I found very helpful for myself, to basically say, okay, I'm not concentrating on the brassiness right now. Let me try to really manage the frizz. And then with the brassiness, I've been working with their weekly mask. This is a color correcting Pure Blonde Booster, which I really liked because it's very, very highly intense purple. So this is a wonderful product if you like that high intense pigment when it comes to brightening your hair blonde or white hair or ombre gray. And then I do use the finishing touch also by them, the polishing serum, smooths frizz and adds shine. It's really nice. It's not, this Paul Mitchell has a little bit of slip left on your hands where you feel like you have to wipe it off, but this product, the finishing touch, does not. It just feels nice, and you just, you know, I just finish it off like it says. It's finishing touch. It's my last touch to kind of smooth those crazy frizzies. So ladies, I hope that was very interesting to you. I hope that you enjoy these two products or one product. I would love to hear what your experience is. Remember, you can use the coupon code to save money. It's listed below this video. And until my next, I'll see you later.